All right, YouTube. I need help. Which one should I restore first? X6, x22, 110, 110. Let me make sure first. Yeah. 110, 110 on the block. Dual exhaust on both. Both of them pretty much in the same condition. Which one you think would be easier to go? Let's get ahead and throw this one on here and get you a tank, or go with the tank tail and just put your headlight on there and put some new brakes on there, restore it? Or would you do the whole headlights, restore, find your tank, get it going? Which one you, matter of fact, would think would be faster? X6, X22. You tell me your decision. Stunto Fox. Oh, you see it.